Hidden deep within the heart of Almada, North Cotabato, lie one of the Philippines' most magical secrets. Asik-Asik Falls, a waterfall that doesn't flow from a river, but straight from the mountain itself. Getting there is already an adventure. A short trek, surrounded by nature's music, birds singing, leaves dancing, the promise of something breathtaking ahead. Dip your feet, feel the calm winds, and let the water freshness your soul. Every drop tells a story. You're untouchable and unbelievable and beautiful. The magic doesn't stop at the pools. It lives in the warmth of the people, the taste of local delicacies, and the stories waiting for the shore. So pack your bags, bring your friends, and chase the adventure. Discover a place where the water dancing, the nature smiling. Asik-Asik Falls, the world of Cotabato.
Ako ang dalangpan, ako imong taming o ginagiban, luyo nining tanan.